Working on installing these Light 2nd gen Dodge Rams headlights. Got them off Amazon. If you look up the Light OE style headlight, comes with the turn signal and pretty much everything. It's got the bulb for the headlight. It doesn't come with the parking turn, but comes with the headlight already installed. Just look at the part code. Comes with everything except the 3 bolts that hold the headlight on. Even comes with this and whatever bolts. Oops, sorry. Comes with the rubber gasket thing, and you just gotta reuse the little plastic grommet right here. This little guy, and the 2 bolts that go through those holes right there. So there's a look at what my old one looks like. Haven't done that one yet. And then here's what the new one looks like installed. It's pretty easy. I'll show you. You just got 1 bolt right there, number 10. You got 1 down in here, number 10. And then you got one right there, number 10. You just take it out, and then you got, so let's see here, and then you got those 2 and the plastic. Just pop right out, pop right in. The difference between the original and the new.